Hello and welcome to an honest product review of the Reibii heavy-duty garage metal shelving. So this particular shelving unit right here that we're looking at is 6 feet tall by 4 feet wide, and it has a 2-foot depth. Now in terms of each shelf, it's got this metal grating here that holds all of the items on the shelf. The metal grating is rated for roughly 600 pounds per shelf. So altogether you have 5 shelves here, rating this entire shelving unit at 3,000 pounds. So this can hold a significant amount of weight on it with ease. I have never had any issues with anything on here causing the grating to flex, anything like that. I've never had any quality issues, none of that stuff whatsoever. Now the only thing I've had to do with this shelf, as you can see here, I had to shim out the bottom because my garage floor is not level. So I had to put a couple extra shims here to keep this fully upright, okay? So something to be mindful of, especially if you're putting a lot of weight on there. Now this particular shelf overall, it comes in numerous pieces. It is shipped obviously prime and you have to assemble it yourself. When I assembled it, I basically built it from the bottom up, doing each shelf one at a time. I would do the brackets all the way around, then put the shelf on, then go to the next one. Each time I would do that, you probably have to have a mallet, I would recommend, for hammering the side bracket down, right? So you're going to need that to hammer it down into place, lightly hammer it, nothing too hard, and then your metal grated shelving sits right on top. So bottom line here is this is a fantastic shelf, especially if you're looking to organize your garage. You can see here all kinds of this random stuff that I have on ours. Previously, I had all this sort of just stacked up loosely on the floor and it looked absolutely terrible. And when I decided to organize my garage, I picked up this shelf and I've been organized ever since. So it really helps in organization, helps for saving space, all those things that you need, especially in a functioning garage. So the bottom line here, this is a fantastic unit. I've never had any quality issues. Never had any issues with this shelf whatsoever anywhere. So it is an excellent shelf. So if you're looking for a garage shelf to get all of your loose miscellaneous items up off the floor, if you've got plastic tote bins like these, or if you don't have those bins, you may need to pick up a few, get a shelf like this, and you can get all kinds of things off your floor today and easily organize them within your garage.